Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how I make macaroni and cheese. So this is the baked macaroni and cheese. So this is a easy recipe that you can follow along to and recreate this for your family and friends. So this is my macaroni and cheese recipe. So come on along if you are interested in seeing how I create macaroni and cheese. Yes, so for this big upper Pyrex dish, I'm not exactly sure what the size is. I'm gonna be using 2 cups of elbow macaroni. So I'm gonna measure out my 2 cups of elbow macaroni. And then we're gonna So this is our 2 cups of elbow macaroni that we're gonna be adding to our boiling water. So on the stove I already have a pot going with water and a little salt in it. So we're gonna be adding this in the boiling water for about 2 minutes. So approximately I'd say about 1 to 2 minutes for it just to get a little bit tender but not boiled completely through. Because after this we're gonna strain and then we're gonna put it in our oven. So we don't want it to be boiled too much on the stove top. We just want it to be a little bit tender, so then we can make it pliable to add the rest of our ingredients. So while we're waiting for the pot of water to boil, I'm gonna go ahead and do the sauce for our macaroni and cheese. So you can use cream. So I'm using some cream. So you can use a half cream or whole cream to do this to make your sauce. So I'm going to be using 2 cups of cream. And if you're not able to find cream, you guys, you can also use regular milk. Because this I will be adding some regular milk because I didn't make it to 2 cups with my cream. So as I said, you guys, you can also use your regular milk. So here I'm using my 2% regular milk. Okay, so 2 cups of milk. And to this I will be adding 2 eggs. And then I'll be whisking the eggs in. And then to this, I will be adding a teaspoon of paprika powder. So 1 teaspoon of paprika. A teaspoon of garlic powder. So half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So depending on the flavor that you would like, you may add a teaspoon or a half a teaspoon. So I'm just adding a little bit of cayenne pepper and just a 1/4 spoon of black pepper. So you add your seasoning to what you like, okay? And here, onion powder, I'll be adding a teaspoon of onion powder as well. And then we're gonna whisk this in. So this is our sauce for our macaroni. And then to this sauce, I'll be adding my shredded cheese. So for this pack, I have a little bit of nacho cheese blend here. So for your cheese blend, you can add as much cheese as you would like. So here, just for the purpose to help you guys out, I'm gonna be measuring my cheese. So this is the nacho cheese blend. That's almost done. That's done. So I'm just gonna put that to the side. And then this one is 3 cheeses. I'm gonna be also adding this. So I'm gonna put about roughly 2 cups of cheese. So this is 1 full cup. And you can use the cheeses that you like. I personally like a cheese mix of Monterey Jack, cheddar cheese, you know, Monterey Jack with jalapeno, and stuff like that. You can use medium cheddar, light cheddar, you know, mozzarella, Parmesan cheese, whatever cheeses you like, you just add it to your macaroni and cheese. So here I'm going in with the Tex-Mex cheese, and this is a blend of Monterey Jack and Monterey Jack cheese with jalapeno peppers. Gonna be adding a cup of this. So as I said, roughly about 2 cups of cheese to make your sauce. Then I'm gonna be adding this in, and you also want to add a little salt. Salt. So about a half a teaspoon of salt. Not too much, because remember the cheeses have a little salt, plus the seasoning has a little salt as well. Stir this in and put it aside, and then wait for your macaroni. Once it's a little tender, after you boil it for about a minute or 2 on the stove. So now our water is boiling up. So this is salt and water, and I'm just gonna be adding the 2 cups of elbow macaroni to this, and as I said, I'm just gonna allow it to boil for about 1 to 2 minutes, just to get a little bit tender but not soft. Okay, so once this is ready, I'm gonna come back and continue the process by adding the sauce to our macaroni and cheese. So now our macaroni is finished boiling. So this boils for about 2 to 3 minutes. So we're gonna add some macaroni, then we're gonna add some sauce and mix it around. So we're gonna add our sauce. So we're gonna add our macaroni a little at a time, then add the sauce and cheese. So then we're gonna add the rest. Then you're just gonna spread out the cheese in your sauce, your cheese sauce in your macaroni. And you want to make sure that the macaroni is kind of submerged and it's covered with the sauce a bit. So that it doesn't get too dry and crispy. So you just want to make sure that your macaroni is down in the sauce. Okay, and then we're going to add this to the oven for 35 to 40 minutes on 350. So after it being in the oven for about 20 minutes, you guys, I'm gonna be adding some more cheese on top of it and then putting it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. For another 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, this is my mac and cheese. It's all done. So this is what it's looking like, and it was in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. So as I said, this is a simple recipe that you guys can follow and enjoy with your family. So this is what it's looking like. As you can see, it's nice and cheesy. So I hope you guys can follow along to this recipe, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know so I can do more videos like these, and leave me a comment down below to let me know if this recipe was simple enough for you to follow along with. And also thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.